Hello, in this video we'll see how to write alphabet J. This is J, this is Ju, G, Ja, J, J, Jo. Okay, so let's try to write J, Ju, G, Ja, J, G, Jo. So in trying to write J, Ju, G, Ja, J, G, Jo, I will start off what we have done in the previous video. In the previous video, we covered te, tu, ti, ta, te, ti, to. Okay, and we saw how to write te, tu, ti, ta, te, ti, to out of the first one, which is te. So in here, how do we change te to j? This is what we do. Add rounds here. So this is j now. So te reads now j. This is Ju. Tu, Ju. G. Ja. J, because already for T we have a round here. I will add these rounds here first of all, and then I do it like 2 first, like this one, and then I add a round here. So this is J now. J. Ja. So just follow this one and try to practice it. Now I will show you how to write it quickly. So J, this is how I write it. Ju, G, this is like that. Ja, J, J, Ja. Okay, so this is G, this is Ja, this is J, this is J, and this is Ja. Of course, this is J, Ju, G, Ja, J, J, Ja. So what we did is we started from te, tu, ti, ta, te, tu, to, and we added this kind of features like round all over, and we changed it te, tu, ti, ta, te, tu, to j, ju, ji, ja, j, ji, jo. All right, so I will come with other contents in the next video. Thank you.